Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a full-on review of the new Betta SE Plus Solar Powered Robot Pool Skimmer. It's right here. Let's get into the video. Let's check it out. Alright, so we've had quite a bit of wind lately. Time to put the Betta SE Plus through its paces. As you can see, there's a ton of leaves in the pool. Got quite a few bugs. Let's go ahead and get it set up and drop it in. A little bit better look at all the floating debris. Let's see how it does. First thing, open her up. Basket's clean. Ready to go. Lock it down. Powered on. And let's drop it in. So when you order the Betta SE Plus Solar Powered Robotic Pool Skimmer, you get obviously the pool skimmer. You also get a remote control for it. You get the adapter charger for it, and keep in mind it's also solar powered. You get the warranty card. You get a little screwdriver to open your remote. You get your batteries for the remote. You get your owner's manual. You get a little information card. So operating the Betta unit, so the top of it's basically a big solar panel. Now you'll notice the front here, we've got some sensors, and this is what keeps it away from the wall and the obstacles. And you've got some little rollers here also that keep it from bumping into things. Now right here, you've got some depth sensors. So if you've got like a tanning ledge on your pool that's really shallow, you can actually lower these down so that it won't get stuck or hung up. But that's what these little pegs are for. You can bring those down, raise them back up. Now the front of this unit, to open the tray or the basket, you just pull this open, lift this up. This is where your charging port is located right here. That's where you plug in your charger. Seal it back up when not in use. Your tray bin right here lifts straight out. That's your leaf collector slash bug collector. Go dump that in the trash and gently rinse it out. And then once that's done, just drop it back in. Close the lid. Secure it. And then you're ready to put it back in the water. And then your on-off switch on the back of the unit. Just go ahead and turn that on, and off it goes. And it will charge while it's running. If you have sunlight, this little solar panel will just sit there and charge, and it'll power the unit all day long. So that's as simple as that as far as operating this unit goes. Be sure and check out the video description if you want to buy one of these pool skimmers for yourselves. Also, there's a price under that video description. It's time to cover some of the strong points of the Betta SE Plus Solar Powered Pool Skimmer, starting right now. Strong point number 1. This pool skimmer is solar powered. Operation eliminates the need for any electricity. Strong point number 2. This skimmer has the dual charging capability, so if solar's not working for you, or if it's cloudy, or just you're in an area where you don't get strong sunlight, then you can just charge it up and you have 30 hours of runtime off a single charge. And on you go. Strong point number 3, efficient navigation and cleaning performance. So this thing doesn't get hung up on obstacles in your pool. It can navigate around them with the little sensors that it's got built in, and it's awesome to watch. Strong point number 4, low maintenance and easy debris removal. You just pick up a basket, go dump it out in the trash, rinse out the basket, and you're good to go another round. Strong point number 5, this unit's environmentally friendly and very energy efficient. Strong point 6, the skimmer unit is built for both saltwater pools and chlorine pools, so you're all set. Strong point 7, the skimmer will run 30 hours or more on a single charge. Let's go over any drawbacks of the Betta Plus Solar Powered Skimmer, starting right now. Drawback number 1, and this is the only one I could find, sometimes when there's a leaf right where the water is lapping against the wall or right in a corner, it struggles to get that particular leaf or floating object. Other than that, I couldn't find any other drawbacks. Okay, looks like it's finished. Let's go see how it did. overall pool is really pretty clean. A few small floaters here and there, a couple of things in the corner. It's been about 2 hours, but overall looks really, really good. Let's go ahead and empty it. Just gonna open the unit up, see what we got. Got a whole ton of stuff right there, all sorts of leaves and bugs and you name it. It's in the filter basket. We're gonna go dump this in the trash and then just rinse this out. We'll be good to go for another round next time we need it. Pretty clean, let's go rinse it. Just want to gently rinse out that filter basket. Wash out all the bugs, debris, whatever's left in there. Nice and clean, just like that. Let's go put it back in. Click it back in, lock it down, and you're ready for round 2 next time you need it. Be sure and check out the video description if you want to buy one of these pool skimmers for yourselves. Also, there's a price under that video description. My conclusion on the Betta SE Plus Solar Powered Robotic Pool Skimmer is that this is a great investment for any pool owner. If you want to catch all the floating debris before it floats or sinks to the bottom of your pool and becomes a bigger issue, this is definitely the way to go. It saves a lot of time and effort by automating all your pool cleaning needs, provides a consistent, reliable performance. It's definitely worth the cost due to the efficiency and the convenience for the pool owner. I give it 2 thumbs up. I would give this item 4.5 out of 5 stars, and it's definitely worth your time and effort to go pick one up. That's the end of today's review. Be sure and check out my other videos that I've got going on. Also, be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Take a look at these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.